As you probably know by now, I drove my thundering NASCHARGER in the Radical Rod drive-off from freezing cold Lincoln, Nebraska to sunny Las Vegas, where it got a lot of attention at the Pipes exhaust display at the world famous Sema show. I got some amazing feedback on my creation, not just regular normal people but from some pretty familiar faces too. When I invited my newfound friend Derek from the popular YouTube channel Vice Grip Garage to start my big beast of a muscle car, this is how that legend reacted.
Sorry. I gotta turn the blower on. Yeah, come on, need boost. What do you think to that? I like it. It's good. It's real good. There we go. We're good. There we go. Badass. I need this in my collection, but I can't get out, I don't think. Gotta lose a few pounds. That's awesome. This is an awesome car. Great build. He actually did a really good job fitting this car over this chassis. I mean, it's really good. Really impressed. 7-week build. It's awesome. Really good. That's awesome. Yeah,
After having a little chat with Derek, he's a really great guy, a real car guy, and his videos just are amazing. Very down to earth, and he came up with a fantastic idea. Derek suggested I use the car on the Hot Rod Power Tour 2020, and I'd love to, but you know what, I'm hard up, and if a sponsor wants to step to the mark, then maybe it can happen.